So today I'm going to try to make a cauliflower rice mix. It's going to be kind of like a Chinese dinner. I got this idea from Melody at Transforming Melody. Make sure you check out her channel. She is awesome. So I have my Cuisinart out, which I don't use very often, but I'm going to go ahead and throw these in there, and hopefully it turns out the way that hers did. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cook up this cauliflower mixture. And it could have been a little bit finer, but I'm short on time today because I have to get ready for work. So I just put it in the Cuisinart real quick and ground it up. So I'm going to fry this up. Let me show you what else I'm going to add. I'm also going to add some of these bird's eye stir-fry veggies that are already prepared. These I got at Walmart. I believe the whole bag was like $5 and something. So this has mushrooms and little baby corn and all that stuff in it. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. I'm going to add up some firm tofu. This was from Aldi's, and I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like $1.49, but we use this instead of meat. So I'm going to go ahead and chop that up and put that in there. I was going to add maybe some onions too. I'm going to chop those up. So tofu, onions, and the veggies. I also want to tell you about this sauce here. This is the Thai chili dipping sauce. This is from Aldi's. Let me tell you, this stuff is absolutely amazing. And it only has 15 calories for 1 tablespoon and 0 fat. So I can imagine it's probably 0 points, but I didn't check it out. But this is just awesome. So I'm going to add that for a little bit of zing. If you also want to, you can add some canned pineapple as well and fry that up and put it on separate. Alright, let's see how this turns out. I have this frying with the stir-fry mixture. And it smells yummy. And this here is the tofu and onions. I decided to do that separate because if you don't, it won't turn out very well. You want to fry the tofu separate because it's mushy. And let me tell you, I don't mind it cooked and in something, but I tried it just plain. Ugh, nasty. So definitely you want to cook it. And it has a texture of like eggs if you've never had tofu before. But when you fry it up and you add it, say, to a mixture and then you put some sauce or whatever, you'll think that it's chicken. So stay tuned.